Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about how to grow your money, what you will learn. In this video, we'll be going over 6 investing thumb rules to become wealthier. These rules will help you make informed decisions about your investments and grow your money over time. Rule 1. The Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a simple way to estimate how long it will take for your money to double at a given rate of return. Just divide 72 by the interest rate to get the number of years it will take for your money to double. For example, if the interest rate is 6%, it will take about 12 years for your money to double. Or Rule 2. The Rule of 114. The Rule of 114 is similar to the Rule of 72, but it can be used to estimate how long it will take for your money to triple. Just divide 114 by the interest rate to get the number of years it will take for your money to triple. For example, if the interest rate is 8%, it will take about 14 years for your money to triple. Rule 3. The Rule of 50. The Rule of 50 is a rule of thumb that can be used to estimate how long it will take for your money to reach a specific goal, such as retirement. Just divide 50 by the desired savings rate to get the number of years it will take to reach your goal. For example, if you want to save 20% of your income, it will take about 2.5 years to reach your goal. Rule 4. Consider inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the prices of goods and services increase over time. It's important to factor in inflation when you're investing because it can erode the purchasing power of your money. For example, if the inflation rate is 2%, your money will lose 2% of its purchasing power each year. Rule 5. Asset allocation. Asset allocation is the process of dividing your investments among different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and cash. The ideal asset allocation for you will depend on your age, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Generally, younger investors can afford to take on more risk, so they may allocate a larger portion of their portfolio to stocks. Older investors who are closer to retirement may want to allocate a larger portion of their portfolio to bonds, which are typically less volatile than stocks. Rule 6. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. Over time, the asset allocation of your portfolio will naturally change. For example, if the stock market goes up, the stock portion of your portfolio will become larger. It's important to rebalance your portfolio regularly to maintain your target asset allocation. This will help you to control risk and stay on track to meet your investment goals. Conclusion. These are just a few simple rules of thumb that can help you grow your money over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. By following these rules and staying disciplined with your investments, you can reach your financial goals. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about investing, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of these investing tips. Thanks for watching.